Real estate investments are always about a location's future potential. Understanding the future potential of a location in terms of its infrastructural and commercial development will increase the probability of your real estate investment appreciating in value over the years. So what is the next big investment idea in Hyderabad real estate market? Locations close to international airports have always seen superlative capital appreciation across the globe. For instance, Hebbal, close to Bangalore International Airport, costed 500 rupees per square feet in the year 2000. But today, it's valued at over 10,000 rupees per square feet. Gurgaon, which was at 600 rupees per square feet, today costs 12,000 per square feet. Going by the trend, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad could be the next big growth story. Rajendra Nagar is a self-sustained residential area located along the PVNR Airport Expressway. Rajendra Nagar is just a 30 minutes drive from Banjara Hills, Begumpet, Secunderabad and Charminar. It also has quick access to the financial district and the high-tech city through the 8-lane outer ring road. Rajendra Nagar also has faster access to Bangalore Highway, Sri Salem Highway and Nagarjuna Sagar Highway. It has the advantage of being close to Falaknuma station, which is part of the 43-kilometer stretch of multimodal transport system. Rajendra Nagar could be the next big investment story. Hyderabad Metro Rail has approved an investment of 12,132 crore rupees for metro service in Hyderabad. On completion of Metro Phase 1, the nearest metro station, Falaknuma, will be just 5 minutes away from Rajendra Nagar. 2,631 crore rupees is invested to build 20 flyovers, thereby easing the connectivity from Rajendra Nagar to the rest of Hyderabad. ITIR Zone 2, 2.19 lakh crore rupees is being invested in 80 square kilometer ITIR Zone 2. 940 crore rupees is being invested to set up 2 greenfield electronic manufacturing clusters in ITIR Zone 2, Tukuguda. 30,000 crores is being invested to set up Pharma City in ITIR Zone 2, Mucherla. 800 crore rupees is being invested to set up Electronic Hardware Park in ITIR Zone 2, Maheshwaram. 1,250 crore rupees is being invested in multiple aerospace and industrial parks in ITIR Zone 2, Ibrahimpatna and Shamshabad. 250 crores is being invested in Wonderla Amusement Park in ITIR Zone 2, Adipatla. Amazon inaugurated its 1,800 crore rupee fulfillment center in Kothur. Other major developments: Johnson & Johnson, P&G on Kothur, Pratt & Whitney Training Center in Shamshabad, Gain City in Raidurg, Science City in Kotwalguda, Reliance Business District in Manchirevala, and country's largest gems and jewelry SEZ at Mamidipalli. TCS, Cognizant Technology and Tata Advanced Systems Limited are in full force to set up their service delivery offices in ITIR Zone 2, Adipatla. Rajendra Nagar is the nearest well-developed residential area close to ITIR Zone 2. ITIR Zone 2 has the potential to create over 40 lakh jobs. ITIR Zone 2 is expected to push up the demand for buying and renting of homes in Rajendra Nagar. Rajendra Nagar has some of the best educational institutions. Shopping is just a stone's throw away from Rajendra Nagar. Rajendra Nagar today has world-class healthcare facilities. Leisure and recreation is just a whisker away from Rajendra Nagar. Rajendra Nagar is poised to become the next big investment story. Buy Rajendra Nagar. Buy Provident.